Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're going to go over some of the options that we have for replacing the upholstery in your 2012 to 2014 Dodge Charger. Alright guys, so we have the seats pulled out of our customer's 2014 Dodge Charger RT and the new LeatherSeats.com upholsteries already installed on the passenger seat. Before we install the driver's side, I wanted to show you a side-by-side comparison of the original factory cloth to our new replacement leather-trimmed upholstery kit. This Dodge Charger package includes the replacement upholstery for both the front and rear seats. We built this specific kit for our customer in two-tone black with Piazza Red Inserts. Piazza is a special type of perforation that features a secondary color underneath the top coat. This look is achieved by first vat dyeing the leather in the base red color and then surface coating the leather in black. When the square perforation holes are punched, it gives the insert a subtle red undertone for a very custom look. To finish off the look of the kit, we added a contrasting red thread for all of the double stitched and top stitched seams. This kit is designed to fit the factory sport seats that come in all RT and some SXT models. We also offer kits to fit the base seats that come in the SE as well as some SXT models. Like most of our kits, our Dodge Charger upholstery is actually designed for the original cloth to be removed before installation. Our kit does include all of the necessary attachments, including hog ring listings, Velcro, push clips, and J-clip attachments. Because we designed this kit as an actual replacement to the cloth, once installed properly, will retain a factory fit and finish. All of the seat functions remain the same. This replacement kit is also fully compatible with the factory child seat anchors and side impact airbag system. This particular leather-trimmed upholstery kit was built using our Deluxe leather content, which means that the front seats have leather on the seating surfaces with matching vinyl on the sides. The rear seats have leather on the inserts only, with matching vinyl on the surrounding seating surfaces and sides. We do also offer a premium leather content package which upgrades the rear seats to have leather on the seating surfaces like the front seats. You can also upgrade to a 100% leather kit, which is our highest leather content available. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the pre-selected package for this charger at the end of the video and in the description below. If you have any questions about our products or if you'd like to receive some free leather samples, feel free to give any of our customer service representatives a call at 866-NEW-SEAT. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit.